simple service business number 4 is laundry pickup and drop off. So this is picking up people's laundry, washing it, and then dropping it back off to them nice and folded. Now, when I was doing research for this, I found a really cool company called Poplin.co. Now, Poplin.co goes the subcontractor route, so they have people all over the country that they book jobs on their website and then send the job out to just regular people who can sign up and go pick up people's laundry, take it back to their house, wash it, and then bring it back folded and clean. They say they have 115,000 work from home laundry pros nationwide who just go pick up laundry, wash it at their own house, and drop it back off. And they're doing 3 million loads washed and folded every year. So you could either start something similar to Poplin, where you use subcontractors to do the pickups for you, or you can go out and start your own local laundry pickup and drop off service. If you're going to do it locally on your own, I would highly recommend going after commercial customers. I have a friend who owns a restaurant. He told me he was spending something like $50,000 a year on laundry services for all their napkins and tablecloths and stuff like that. So you can go after restaurants or commercial customers where they have a bunch of laundry on a regular basis and go pick that up, get some commercial laundry machines, and just simply clean it and drop it back off. Whether you're going to do it yourself or the subcontractor route, I found this a very cool, simple business.